Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting innovations in the tech world. From AI that can visualize its own learning process to coding by voice, the future of development is looking seriously efficient. We'll be exploring how these breakthroughs are going to speed up workflows and change the way we interact with technology. Let's get started. So, we all know AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated. But what if we could actually see how it learns? This isn't some sci-fi movie concept, guys. We're talking real-deal visualizations of neural networks, showing us the pathways and connections as AI processes information. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly where an algorithm is excelling or struggling. This level of transparency is game-changing for developers, allowing for more precise fine-tuning and optimization. We're talking about boosting accuracy, identifying potential biases, and ultimately, building smarter, more reliable AI systems. Now, this isn't about just static images. We're talking dynamic, real-time representations of the learning process. Think of it like looking under the hood of a car, but instead of gears and belts, we're seeing the flow of data and how the AI is making decisions. And the best part? This technology is already making waves. Companies at the forefront of AI development are implementing these visualization tools, leading to some seriously impressive breakthroughs. We're talking faster training times, improved accuracy, and a deeper understanding of how AI truly works. Alright, let's talk about something I know gets a lot of you hyped: voice control. We've seen it revolutionize how we interact with our phones and smart homes, but get this, it's now changing the game for developers. We're talking about coding by voice, people. No more endless typing, no more wrist strain. Just pure, streamlined coding powered by your voice. Imagine dictating lines of code, calling out functions, and navigating through files all hands-free. This is a game changer for accessibility, allowing developers with disabilities to code more easily and efficiently. And let's be real. For anyone who's ever spent hours hunched over a keyboard, the idea of coding by voice is pretty darn appealing. Now, I know what you're thinking. How accurate can this be? Well, the technology has come a long way. Advanced natural language processing means these voice coding assistants are getting incredibly good at understanding complex commands and syntax. Plus, they're constantly learning and improving. The more you use them, the better they get at understanding your voice and your coding style. We're still in the early stages, but this technology has the potential to completely change how we approach coding. Let's be real. Nobody likes waiting around for slow database queries. It's like watching paint dry. If the paint was your data analysis and every second felt like an eternity. But hold up, because the tech world has heard our cries for faster data retrieval. We're talking about next-level techniques and tools that are supercharging database queries, making them faster and more efficient than ever before. Think about it. Massive data sets, complex queries. These are the cornerstones of modern applications. But with these new advancements, we're talking about lightning-fast data retrieval, even for the most demanding tasks. One of the key players in this speed revolution is something called database indexing. It's like creating a super detailed table of contents for your database, allowing it to pinpoint the exact information you need in a fraction of the time. But that's not all. We're also seeing advancements in query optimization, where AI algorithms analyze your queries and find the most efficient way to execute them. It's like having a super smart assistant for your database, constantly working behind the scenes to speed things up. All right, let's talk about continuous integration, or CI, for those in the know. It's the backbone of modern software development, allowing teams to constantly integrate code changes and catch bugs early on. But here's the thing. CI builds can sometimes feel like waiting for a watched pot to boil. You're just sitting there, staring at the screen, hoping it finishes soon. Well, the good news is that innovative new methods are here to slash those build times and streamline the entire development process. We're talking about faster feedback loops, quicker iterations, and ultimately getting your product to market faster. One of the key strategies is parallel testing. Instead of running tests one after the other, imagine running multiple tests simultaneously across different machines or virtual environments. This significantly reduces the overall build time, especially for large and complex projects. And then there's build caching. Think of it like this. Instead of baking a cake from scratch every time, you keep some pre-made layers on hand. Build caching stores pre-built components of your code, so you don't have to waste time rebuilding them for every single change. So, we've just scratched the surface of some seriously game-changing tech innovations. But trust me, this is just the beginning. The world of tech is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs emerging all the time. We're talking about advancements in quantum computing, which has the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine and materials science. Imagine being able to simulate complex molecular interactions or develop entirely new materials with unprecedented properties. And let's not forget about the metaverse. It's still early days, but the idea of immersive digital worlds where we can work, play, and connect with others is gaining serious traction. The key takeaway here is that the future of tech is all about pushing boundaries and finding new ways to improve our lives. Whether it's through AI, voice control, or something we haven't even imagined yet, the possibilities are truly endless.